Welcome to Kamin Kanazawa, and you can easily book your stay today by scanning the QR code appearing on screen or checking the description below. This beautiful 4.5-star hotel is right in the heart of Kanazawa, Japan, offering a truly luxurious experience. You'll be impressed from the moment you enter the elegant lobby, noticing the attention to detail and commitment to a memorable stay. We understand convenience is key, so we provide an excellent laundry service to help you during your travels. Kamin Kanazawa is also very family-friendly. Children age 0 to 5 stay free of charge. Check-in starts at 3 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in, while checkout is at 10 a.m., allowing for a relaxed departure. The hotel also offers free parking. Remember to scan the QR code to reserve your room at Kamin Kanazawa today.